Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and fix Facebook unable to log in and an unexpected error occurred. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a stable connection. Maybe you are connected to your cellular data. You want to go ahead and connect to a Wi-Fi in order to ensure that you have the connection secured. After that, you can just go ahead and make sure to also update the Facebook to its latest version. So let's go ahead and open up our App Store or Play Store right here. Go ahead and type Facebook, and inside you have to make sure that you have the latest version updated. Now after updating your Facebook and the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to go ahead and make sure that you don't have any corrupted files installed within Facebook. So to go ahead and fix that, let's open up our settings right here, and inside you want to go ahead and open up the application management. Inside, just go ahead and find Facebook, and you could just go ahead and clear the cache of this application right here. So after clearing the storage and the cache, this will ensure that it removes unnecessary files that's bugging in within our Facebook application. And if the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to go ahead and completely uninstall Facebook right here, because you might be having some corrupted files that's integrated within the application. Now to go ahead and fix that, let's go ahead and uninstall the application right here, install a new one through the App Store or Play Store. But the last thing to do now to go ahead and fix it if the problem still occur is to go ahead and update your operating system. This is because some application will go ahead and restrict if the device is outdated due to security reasons. So you have to make sure that you have the latest operating system installed within your iPhone or your Android. So guys, in that way you will be able to fix your problem. And if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.